So this week I was going to have a cool video on court cam about scary defendants featured, but because of last week's A&E debacle, decided to change course. Though I did hear that A&E are assholes when it comes to fair use. Honestly, I'm not really that surprised. I didn't have a problem with them before, but now I fucking do. I am probably going to be using less clips from Live PD and Court Cam for dumb criminal files. A&E can go suck a big fat pickle for all I care. So back to Code Blue Cam, who seemed to understand fair use because the video I made last week had no issues. Also, like last week, if you want to check out more of Code Blue Cam, link is in the description. So we're back in La Crosse, Wisconsin, once again. Seriously, there are a lot of videos on Code Blue Cam from this one city. Must be something in the water. In this clip, La Crosse police are called to a building after a caller called 911 to report the sounds of a woman screaming. Then another caller informed the 911 dispatcher that a woman walked outside of an apartment with a bloody face. So, you see that guy in the background holding the leash with the cutest pooch in the world? That's Devin Knapp. And when he sees the police, he tries to fuck no it back into the building. Right there.
94, contact with 2. What's going on?
Pushing what I'm assuming is girlfriend back as well. Why?
Over here. Over here. Do you have your ID with you?
Because the woman has a bloody face that you don't see, and he is in fact the one who gave her that.
You're not free to leave.
I didn't do anything.
You're not free to leave.
Why? I didn't do anything.
94. So
As you can tell from the sound of his voice, that yes, Devin Knapp is not only a piece of shit for hitting a woman, he is also a whiny little bitch. Also a dick to dogs.
suspect's resisting.
If you couldn't tell what happened, this piece of human smegma decided to run with the dog, dragging the poor doggy. He ends up letting go and running. And he happens to run like he has a really huge piece of shit in his pants. Also, he isn't that fast. I mean, my grandma can outrun this whiny little douche nozzle, and she is dead. Code Blue Cam goes the extra mile, not only showing you what happened with Cunty McCuntface, but explaining what this walking tumor did. He started an argument with his lady friend, called her a bunch of vulgar names, grabbed her by the throat and started choking her, then kicked her in the head and punched her. Why are you chasing me? Because you ran from the cops, you fucking walking lobotomy.
What? Why are you chasing me?
God, it is too bad time travel doesn't exist. We could go back in time and convince his mother to have an abortion.
Hold on, why are you chasing me?
He asks again why he's being chased, while being tackled to the ground. So, just to be clear, I'm pretty sure that he's an idiot.
Hold on! You won't even tell me.
Get on your face! Hands behind your back!
What's going on?
94, I got him on the ground. 200 pearl.
What's going on?
You're under arrest! Quiet!
For what? For what? For what?
He asks the cop, who has been chasing him since he dragged the poor dog back near that awesome-looking tattoo shop, why he's being arrested. Remember, this waste of oxygen pushed a female back inside a doorway of a building, a woman who he had beaten up, and he asks why he is being chased. Either his parents didn't discipline him much as a child and spoiled him rotten, or he's just really stupid. Leave your guess in the comments. So, Code Blue Cam sheds a little bit more light on the situation. When the woman wanted to call the police, Devin Knapp decided to take her phone and tell her she wasn't. So she left the apartment and asked someone on the street to call her mother. That person called the cops instead.
94.
What's going
Female
on?
victim.
Seriously? He asked what is going on? Dude didn't graduate the first grade.
Can you head up? Try to find the female.
Where was she last said?
Right in front of,
She attacked me and I ran. I don't know why you're chasing me, so I ran. I'm scared of cops. I don't know what you wanted.
What?
His voice is getting whinier and whinier the more he talks. Also, back up. Did he just claim the female attacked him?
Attacked me and I ran. I don't know why you're chasing me, so I ran.
She attacked me. I ran. I don't know why you're chasing me, so I ran. That was his statement. He also continues to whine, doesn't listen to police when ordered, and kicks at police.
I can stand if I want.
Yeah, that dog that's barking is his.
By the way, the dog barking is a police dog, but you're going to love his reason for why he let go of the dog.
I didn't let my dog go. You made me drop my dog because I couldn't run with my dog.
He couldn't run with the dog because he chose to run from police, and the dog, being a law-abiding citizen, did not want to run from the police. Oh, and remember last week when this happened?
My little brother fucking died 6 months ago. My brother died. My brother died in a car accident. My brother died. My brother died.
Well, this guy is going to repeat shit too.
I need my dog. Where's my dog?
All right.
Where's my dog? Dude, where's my dog? Hold on, where's my dog? Where's my dog?
We'll let you know. Just go inside.
Where's my dog? Hold on.
Back off.
Hold on, just let me add. Where's my dog? Hold on.
I don't know where your dog is. You let your dog go.
Where is my dog is the new my brother died X amount of months ago. Get ready, he repeats it a lot. Counter in the corner. Oh, and he just spit on the cop when the cop tried to answer. I have to share this one part before we go into the squad car with little bitch boy.
What the fuck are you doing? Hey.
What?
You called me. What's up?
Oh, I didn't mean to call you. I just got done with a foot pursuit. I gotta go.
Okay, bye. Did you win?
That's right, even police butt dial. And back to the headache.
Where's my dog?
Licking its butthole on 3rd Ave.
Stop, Devin.
Where's my dog?
Got sick of you beating up your girlfriend and decided to run away and join the circus.
I don't know where your dog is, man.
What'd you do with my dog?
Nothing.
I need to make sure she's safe. Where's my dog?
Chasing pussy.
Officer Hall will take care of it.
What do you mean he'll take care of it?
He'll take care of it.
Where's my dog?
Gave it to someone who wouldn't drag it on a foot pursuit. Okay, I'm done with the dog jokes. Okay, one more.
Where's my fucking dog?
Who let the dogs out?
Okay, now, on to the rest of the video.
Dude, where's my dog? Where's my dog?
By the way, this guy is not drunk. Just proves that even sober, idiots can be stuck in a loop.
Stop, man.
Where's my dog?
Stop.
Where's my dog?
This guy is a grown man and he's acting like a 6-year-old. Give kudos to the cop. He is ignoring him when I would have gagged him by now.
Where's my dog?
Officer Hall will take care of your dog and get
Where's
him
my fucking
and
dog?
get him to where he needs to be, okay?
Where's my dog?
So who is tired of him asking him where his dog is yet? I know I am, but I am a content creator, so I have to experience pain for fame. Also, I think he begins kicking because you can hear loud thuds and the officer telling him to stop. So we're in full-blown temper tantrum mode, which when you're a teen, you normally grow out of. That is unless you have parents who didn't teach your actions have consequences and spoil you rotten. Then you get a man-child who thinks it's okay in their mid-20s to beat up a woman, drag a dog, get in a foot pursuit with cops, and still ask why they're being chased. So if you're a parent and your kids act up, time out. Ground them. Teach them this shit. My mom spanked me, but a lot of people see that as abuse, so I'm not going to judge, but also not going to give that kind of advice.
You didn't even tell me why you were chasing me.
Officer Hall will let you know once
Where
we're
is
out the jail.
he? Do your fucking job.
I am betting he doesn't have very many friends. I mean, I don't know the guy, but from this video, I wouldn't hang out with him. So after so many where is my dogs later, we finally get to the precinct. And he uses some language I am not going to feature here. Let's just say he calls the police officer the N-word twice. For reference, the officer that is driving is actually the Asian cop. So he's a racist and he couldn't get the racial slur right. But I will show you the cop's response though.
Okay, white boy, come on, let's go.
I mean, come on, 5-star comeback. So for this cop, if you live in La Crosse and know who he is, get him a fucking donut and some coffee. So I didn't show every instance of where's my dog, mostly because I really didn't want people to click off this video. But Devin, I poopies in my diapies, nap, was charged with felony count strangulation, suffocation, intimidating a victim, discharging bodily fluids at an officer, which I didn't know was a thing until now. I always thought it would be called something else, and 2 counts of bail jumping. We'll get to the bail jumping in a second, but there's more. Misdemeanor counts of battery, criminal damage to property, disorderly conduct, and resisting an officer. So that bail thing. Apparently, he was being held with a $75,000 cash bond and had 11 different open cases, and 5 are felonies. Also, the dog was found and returned to the girlfriend. Hope you enjoyed and were not too annoyed with the "where's my dog." Promise next time I do one of these, less repetitive statements. Anyways, next week, part 1 of Oklahoma City bombing, which will be a 3-part series in the month of April. Till then...